Yoruba, calm down, humble and learn from us. My people, let us tell ourselves the truth. The biggest victims of the Lagos obsession are not even the Igbos or the Hausas. It is the Yoruba themselves. Yes, Lagos is choking the Yoruba people more than any other tribe in Nigeria. Do you know why? Because almost every Yoruba person is now claiming Lagos, abandoning their own ancestral lands and states to what? Oh my God! Instead of sharing opportunities and spreading growth across all Ekiti, Ogun, Osun, Oyo, and the rest, they have carried all their bags and groups to Lagos as if that's the only place God created for them. They make Lagos their heaven. But ironically, this so-called heaven is slowly suffocating their other states, leaving them behind in poverty and underdevelopment. Take a good look around. Outside Lagos, what do you see in most Yoruba towns? Dilapidated houses that have been standing for decades without renovations. Broken streets that smells of neglect. Old family compounds reeking of decay and zero modern development. Many Yoruba villages are starving of oxygen and growth because all their sons and daughters have abandoned them. Nobody wants to go back home and rebuild. Nobody wants to give pride to their roots. All they shout is Lagos, 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 up and down. Lagos, I'm Lagos. Whoa! Now compare that to us Igbos. We are not flocking only to one city. We develop everywhere at the same time. Onitsha is booming, Aba is hustling, Oka is shining, Asaba is expanding, Enugu is glowing, Umuahia is breathing, Nnewi is building, Abakaliki is rising, Owerri is bubbling, Port Harcourt is working, Bonny is busy, Afikpo is alive. Obigbo, Abo, Opobo, Okigwe, Olu, Nkwere, Uguta, Ekulobia, Nsukka, and others are firing on all squares. The list is endless. Every Igbo city is alive and independent, progressing in its own right. We don't wait for outsiders to come and build for us. Wherever an Igbo man settles, he carries development with him. A round of applause for we Igbos. Yoruba, calm down, humble and learn from us. But for the Yoruba people, it is as if without Lagos, they are lost. Meanwhile, Lagos itself is a melting pot that belongs to everyone. Hausa, Igbo, Efiko, Ijaw, Tivo, and yes, Yoruba too. But Lagos is not the only Yoruba state. Why then are they abandoning Ondo, Ogun, Oyo, Osun, Ekiti, and Co, leaving them like forgotten children? Why? Yorubas, why? Go and develop your villages, your rickety villages. It's caused a thick forest. Go and develop it. Go. They don't bury a placenta for Lagos. This is the bitter truth. Until the Yoruba stop overclaiming Lagos and begin to take pride in their other states, those states will continue to decay. The greatness of a people is not in how they crowd one city, but in how they spend their influence, build their roots, and uplift every corner of their land. So to my Yoruba brothers and sisters, it is time to go back home. Go back home, land or law. Rebuild your father's houses, renovate your family compounds, and breathe new life into your villages. Lagos cannot carry the whole Yoruba nation forever. Yes. Don't forget to join my class where I'll be teaching you how to write basic news reports, content creation, and editing. And if you're interested in learning Igbo language or you want your children abroad to learn Igbo language, I have a Zoom class where I teach Igbo language and everything concerning Igbo. Per section is 1 hour and it costs $5. Send me a DM 070371174425 or DM me on my TikTok. Bye. I love you.